Today's video, I'm super excited about it because we're going to be talking about how to make money online. When I tell you guys that the internet is a gold mine and you should never sleep on it, I mean every single word of it. So I'm going to be sharing with you real websites, apps, and side hustle ideas you can start today just with your phone with no experience needed, and you'll be able to cash out, take charge of your finances, and most importantly, live the life you truly deserve. So I'm going to be inviting you, if you've not already, to join the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, because yes, on this channel we talk more about money making, personal finance, and of course everything around taking charge of your finances. And yes, go ahead and click on the like button because I know you're going to be finding this video helpful. If you have a question, comment, you want to share your experience, please feel free to do that in the comment section. I'll be there replying to all the comments. Now let's get started. The number one on my list that I have been talking about, my friends have been doing, we have a lot of experience about, is using the freelance app. You actually do not need to go to Harvard or have a lot of experience for you to start. Freelancing is the future, and guess what? Nigerians are winning on it, and that is why I'm like, oh my goodness, they must hear it. Logo design, virtual assistant, social media management, transcription, writing articles, the list is endless. The opportunities are limitless. All you need to do is to start today. You know that I actually do not make a video without giving you practical tip on how to get started. Now, when you create your account on freelancer.com, you can write in your headline or your logo that you're affordable Nigerian virtual assistant, or you can also say fast logo designer in Nigeria, and you are ready to go. Now, for a good news, a lot of people have indicated interest in getting onto freelancing, but they actually do not know how to do it. So because of that, I am going to be hosting a free masterclass, and my sister and my friend will be there teaching you on how to create the account, and of course we'll be giving you reviews. You know what that does to you? Once you have a review, you have more people coming in that you will be the one to pick and choose which one to do. So if you want to get into it, watch until the end of this video, and I'm going to be giving you all the details on how to get into this free masterclass. I cannot wait to see you there. Moving on to the next, we're going to be talking about survey site. I have made actually 2 dedicated videos on how Nigerians can start, the things to avoid, apps to use, and all the survey site that you can start today. New addition is the Pinecone Research. Another survey site you can use is the Remote Tasks. There you can do small tasks like logo design, image labeling, transcription. Now, the third way you can make money online is using the affiliate marketing. I think affiliate marketing sounds too big. What it means is that you have a link, a referral link, and you are ready to go. Do not tell me that, oh my goodness, I don't have the people. Hey, you have WhatsApp. In fact, a simple term is turn your WhatsApp status into your business. Let me show you how. If you have bought something on Jumia, on Konga, or you've bought from Amazon, you can actually get into their affiliate program, and what happens is that you get a commission just by sharing the link. Now, if someone tells you, oh my goodness, I love your hair, or I love the watch, or I love whatever you have, your camera, or the book you have read, or the hair you bought from somewhere, you can just copy the list. And please don't tell anyone, even if you did not buy it from the Amazon site, you can always copy the link from the Amazon site, especially if you know it's a good product, and share it to your friends or put it on your WhatsApp status. And when people buy from that link, you will get a lot of money from it. Now, if you're not already, a simple trick is that if you've been doing ojo or merry-go-round, like carrying your money round and round, saving, and at the end of 9 months, one person collects, well, you are making a big mistake. One thing I'm going to advise you is to instead create an account on Piggyvest. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but I have to tell you how to make the best of affiliate marketing. So if you save your money on Piggyvest, you'll be able to get 1,000 Naira. And this is for all African countries. For this video, I'm going to be using Nigeria as an example, but this is also applicable to other countries. You'll be able to get 1,000 Naira from every single person that uses your link. That is like free money sitting in your account. So get the link, share it to your mom, your dad, if you have a choir group or you have your WhatsApp church group. Once people sign in, you are going to be cashing out. When I tell you that life is good, I mean it. The internet is a gold mine. All you need to do is to start now, see the possibilities and act on it, and you'll be cashing out. Fourth way for you to make money that I have done is selling your digital product or courses. Now, you have knowledge, you know how to do parenting, you know how to pray, you know how to do journaling, you know how to educate people in nursing, budgeting, finance, e-commerce, sewing. The list is endless. You have those opportunities, you have the knowledge, and people are willing to pay you for it. You know what I'm going to tell you to do? Create a PDF file. It is very easy. Go on your Google Doc, write everything you need to write. If you even want a simpler way, go on chatgpt, tell it to give you an outline, and based on your information, you can write a PDF file. And once you're done, you download it as a PDF file. You can sell it on Seller, you can sell it on Etsy, you can sell it on Gumroad. You can also sell it on Beacons. Beacons is the one I use. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how to go about it if you want to sell using Beacon, that you have 100% of your money with no commission taken from it, like the Amazon. And yes, you can also create a course, like a video course. If you're teaching someone something like mathematics, architecture, physics, and all that, you can create a course and upload it on Udemy, Teachable, and you are ready to go. One good thing about this kind of digital product or making a course is that you do it just one time and the money keeps coming, and you actually don't need to do it anymore. At this point, if you've not clicked on the like button, I'm going to be inviting you, please click on that like button. This will actually tell me that you are enjoying this video and you want me to make more of these kinds of videos for you. The other way you can make money online that a lot of people are not talking about is working remotely. Now, you can do a lot of jobs like sales assistant. Now, a pro tip is that you can ask ChatGPT based on your experience to make a cover letter and a portfolio for you, and you'll be able to search for jobs online. Now, I'm going to be mentioning some of the sites you can use. The first one is We Work Remotely. The second one is Job Presso. There is the Remote OK. There is the Touring, and developers are earning lots of money from it. Do not sleep on it. The sixth one that I love so much is content creation. And do not tell me that you are not good enough. No. Create an account on TikTok, create an account on YouTube, create an account on Facebook, Instagram, and you are ready to go. There are lots of faceless channels, and if you just want to get out of your comfort zone, of course, make a video, show your face. Everyone has something to offer. As long as it is unique to you, it is in your voice, you're showing up, people will be there to watch. So content creation is another way to get money online. These are the ways you can earn money online. The internet is a gold mine, and you actually do not need someone to vouch for you. You actually do not need a big creator for you to actually make the money. Everyone is getting into it and cashing out. And so don't let the train leave you. Get on it. I am rooting for you, and I believe that I'm looking at someone that is ready to take charge of their finances. So yeah, if you want to get into the free masterclass, the rules are simple. Just be subscribed to this channel, follow me on TikTok, and leave a comment here on YouTube under this video saying the skill you have. And no, I'm not picking you based on the skill you have. No, just tell me what you have or what you want to do. And I'm going to be inviting you to join the free masterclass where we'll be telling you how to set up the account, help you get your first job, give you a review so that the jobs will keep coming. And of course, if you're not selected to join the free masterclass, we're going to be recording it and we'll be uploading it here on YouTube so you can check it. And no, don't be dismayed. This is not the last time we'll be doing it. So stay tuned on this channel. Leave your comments, click on the like button, subscribe, and please tell me in the comment section which of these tips I have mentioned sounds good to you and you're going to try out. I'm going to leave this video on side hustle you need to start today, and of course I'm also going to leave the playlist on other money making videos that I know you will find helpful. Thank you so much for being here, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.